Today is Palm Sunday. Wednesday is Wednesday. Today is Monday, Thursday, and mag-7 churches kami. Today is Good Friday. Nagbibigay kami ng mga eggs sa mga nagpipenitensya. Tama. It's Ash Wednesday. It's the start of Lenten season.
Of the church, may we request
Almighty, ever-living God, all the mighty needs. Let us pray.
Hi guys, so today is Palm Sunday and I'm with my Tita Lovey and Tita Faye. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Quezon City, sa aming townhouse. So tingnan nyo guys, walking distance lang yung church. Guys, ayan, ang here. Hi! Ayan si Tita Faye. Si Tita Faye. Tingnan nyo. Hindi lang palaspas. Pero, babalik na rin kayo mamaya sa Pampanga. Yeah. So, and we're here. Ayan guys, sabi niya pakita mo yung sarapan namin. After Mass. Guys, today is Monday. Si Sike at si Ate Chris. Ikot kami. Ikot kami. Ikot kami. Screws. Hi! Today is Wednesday. Oh, may cross! Holy Wednesday. Ay, palaspas! Hey guys, today is Monday, Thursday, and mag-7 churches kami. So, samahan nyo kami guys. 8:29 a.m. Baka lilipat kami later after ng 7 churches para makita namin ang mga mandarami. CK. Ate Chris. Alam niyo ba dati naghanap ka? Isa oh. Hello. It's Tita Faye. Hi.
loves. How are you? We'll see you all on
Sunday.
On Sunday, Easter
nice.
Sunday.
Mm-mm.
7 churches kami.
Ha? Bye, Tita Lur.
Bye, Tab. See you on Sunday.
See you on Sunday. Yan si Labi ko.
Hello.
Ay, ganda. Guys, ayan. Look.
Dami!
Ang dami nila. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Good Friday and nagbibigay kami ng mga eggs sa mga nagpipenitensya guys. So, last day na guys ng Mandarame. Tawag dito Mandarame. Ayan sila dito.
Hello, it's Good Friday.
Pampalakas ng katawan.
Nagpipenitensya.
Boiled egg.
Healthy food. Hindi na siya ang dami. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? Almost 1 dozen.
Ang dami. Ba't isa yan?
Swerte yan.
Swerte pag namin sa mga Mandarame mag-serve. Yan guys. So, ito kami sa harap ng house. Hi.
Sana may dumaan na nagpipenitensya.
Yeah, sana guys. Kasi Good Friday. Baka nasa Bamban lahat. Or palaspas. Yan guys, si Sisi. Nakauwi lang yung galing work. Wala pa yung tulog.
Wala pa guys. Kaya kung makikita nyo, my eye bags are so very, very malalim.
Yan si Ibo. Ay, what? Ay! Guys. May dumaan na kanina. And, ayun, mag-aabang pa kami guys. Let's go. Dadating din sila Kuya Rai, Ate Jane, sila, si Austin, si Zoe, mamaya guys.
We have kids na.
Yeah, and then si CK.
And Clyde.
Yeah, and
So,
Ate Krish.
So it's very, makulit.
Yeah, so, let's go.
The makulits are,
Guys, ang init. Sorry.
nandito kasi kami.
Mainit din dyan, diba guys? Mainit din dyan.
Hindi, kaya nararamdaman, kaya nararamdaman nyo yung kainitan ngayon. Kasi pinapanood nyo kami.
Tama,
diba?
tama.
Sige.
Correct. Galing.
Sino siya? Meron nga! Pang-serve natin.
So guys, iikot kami para magbigay ng eggs and water.
Sa labas.
Sa labas. Yeah, konti lang yung dumadaan dito sa akin guys. Or at least meron. Pero, ikot kami. So let's go. Let's go! Kami nagbabalik ng Cornelio.
Uy, sige!
Yeah.
Watch your eyes.
Hello! Hi! Austin! Austin!
Hello. Hello, Clan. Hello.
Dinner.
Black Saturday.
Black Saturday.
Kare-kare.
Yeah.
I'm taking you to supper.
Dabi.
Hello.
Tita Faye. Si Sisla.
Hello.
Si Jane. You're right. And ako.